Wolves are highly social animals that live in close family groups called packs, which are led by a dominant male and female pair. They work together when hunting, allowing them to bring down prey much larger than themselves. Communication is essential for wolves, and they use a variety of sounds like howls, growls, and barks to interact. Interestingly, each wolf's howl is unique, helping them identify one another. Found across North America, Europe, Asia, and the Middle East, wolves share a common ancestor with domestic dogs from thousands of years ago. Known for their incredible strength, they are long-distance travelers, covering around 12 miles, 19 kilometers, daily at a steady pace. Their sharp senses of smell and hearing help them locate prey from far distances, while their paws act as natural snowshoes, preventing them from sinking into snow. Wolves are highly adaptable, thriving in environments ranging from snowy tundras to arid deserts. Packs have a distinct hierarchy with leaders, alphas, and other members. Raising pups is a pack effort, with every member contributing to their care and protection. Wolves play a vital role in maintaining ecological balance by regulating prey populations. In cultures around the world, wolves are symbols of courage and loyalty, often featured in folklore and myths. While they are primarily meat eaters, wolves also snack on berries and plants occasionally. Their keen vision in low light makes them excellent hunters at night, and they can reach speeds of up to 38 miles per hour when chasing prey. Lastly, wolves use their tails to communicate emotions and signals within their pack, further highlighting their intelligence and strong social bonds. These magnificent creatures continue to captivate us with their resilience and fascinating behaviors.